Hi children, welcome back to today's session. We have been discussing a lesson that is the Wright brothers. In the previous class, we have seen Milton Wright is the protagonist of this lesson. Uh, he brought a special gift to his sons, that is a toy glider. It is very amazing instrument, amazing gift. It flows into the air. So that's the reason it has been created curiosity, interest among the brother name called Wilbur and Orville. Okay. In today's session, we are going to discuss next part of this lesson. Okay, let us begin. The toy glider was made of paper, bamboo, and cork. It had a rubber band to twirl its rotor. Yesterday I told you the toy glider was made up of paper, bamboo, and cork. It had a rubber band to twirl its rotor. It had a rubber band on it. That's the reason it is swinging round. Twirl means it is swinging round throughout the small room. Okay. Next, it was about a foot long. The size of the toy glider is about a foot long. As they watched the toy glider fly around the tiny room, they each had a dream, that of building an actual airplane and flying it. When that toy glider is flying throughout the small room, at that time these two brothers had a dream. What is that dream? That dream is they want to build actual aeroplane and flying into it. They wish to fly into the actual aeroplane. So this is the dream they have got by the toy glider. Okay, next one. They pointed to this experience with the toy as the initial inspiration for their interest in flying. So that's the reason they got inspiration in flying. So they want to fly into the aeroplane. So that inspiration they have got from the toy glider, which was a gift, brought by his father. Okay, next one. Experiment was the key word in the Wright household. Their maternal grandfather had sprawling from Richmond, and the children had all the space in the world to investigate, explore, experiment. Dear students, experiment was the key word in the Wright household, because experiment was inherited by their maternal grandfather. So that's the reason they were very interested in experiment and investigate, explore, and experiment. They were much interested in experiment, explore, and investigate. Okay, that a notion, experience they have got from their inheritance from their grandfather. Okay, next, they had inherited their love of machines from grandfather Coroner and their mother Catherine Corner. As I told you, dear students, they had inherited their love of machines. Their grandfather, since from their grandfather, they are interested in machine and different investigation regarding science. Okay, that a scientific temperament they have got from a grandfather Coroner and their mother Catherine Corner. Okay, these two people influenced on their family regarding scientific temper. Okay, let us know the next one. Catherine was good with tools and often made wooden toys for her children. Who is Catherine? Catherine is the grandmother of Wilbur and Orwell. So, Catherine was good with tools and often made wooden toys for her children. Catherine was, she made some wooden toys for her children. One Christmas, Wilbur gifted Orwell a set of engraving tools. Engraving means inscribe, cutting tools. Okay, one Christmas day, Wilbur gifted Orwell a set of engraving tools. So he gifted inscribed tools. He spent all his free time carving on wood or metal. Then he spent all his time for carving on wood or metal. Next, Wilbur and Orwell did not study beyond high school. Wilbur and Orwell, they did not go any school or they did not get any education. They joined their father's printing press, and Orwell seized this opportunity to use the woodcuts he carved. So that's the reason both of them, these two brothers, joined their father's printing press. His father was, running a printing press where both of them joined. Where Orwell seized the opportunity, so Orwell make use of this opportunity, and he started carving, inscribed on the woods. On his father's letterpress, Milton Wright left the running of the press to his sons. While Wilbur took care of the editing, Orwell assumed the role of the publisher of the weekly newspaper. Milton Wright left the running of the press to his sons. Milton Wright left the running press to his children. While Wilbur took care of the editing, then Wilbur took care of the editing, and Orwell, he knows the importance of the publisher of the weekly newspaper. So both of them involved in the publishing of the newspaper. They worked together in a printing press which was established by his father. Okay, so this is about today's class. With this, dear students, I will stop here. Thank you for watching this video. Have a beautiful day.